Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
They're not jumping from a building or jumping in a canyon or is something that I want to do. That's not the risk. The risk is that when I was 20, my dad's still serving. He, 5 generations of my family are in the army. मैं अपनी family की छठी पीढ़ी होता. Everything was set. My college में था, and I gave my exams for the IMA, Indian Military Academy, gave my SSB, cleared the medical. I was all set to go. And I saw this show called Roadies at that time. किसी को नहीं पता था, पहला season था, that if you go in it, you win a bike. At that age, all I wanted to do is be in the army, live that adventurous life, and have a bike. Yaar. वो भी free में, you know. So I was like, okay, I'll go and I'll get this bike because I followed my passion. It is that one inkling that you have in your heart. You know, I didn't want to sit 2 years later and say, yaar, I wish I'd gone on that trip. Yaar, abhi मैं एक bunker में बैठा हूँ. What would that trip be like? So whatever you feel like, that's what today's the new race that we talk about. That Metro is, it's that thing that never, even a day later or 5 years later, regret that one thing that you wanted to do and you didn't go for it. In today's day and age, what is wealth? Wealth is experiences. आपने Northern Lights देखे, आपने ये किया, वो किया, जो भी experience आपको अपनी life में चाहिए, that is wealth. Wealth is not how much money and what car. Everybody's got, you know, everything that you want, but I think it's experience. The new race is the guys who want something and they believe in that and they follow it. It's not like, यार मैं तो cricketer बनना चाहता था या मुझे तो aeroplane में से jump मारना था. Get out there, make it happen.
I think the great thing about being young is that you are sort of innocent and naive and energetic. So, you know, if I generously include myself in the bracket of young, I would say that I am.
It definitely fits my style, and one thing that I'm very proud about is that Metro is an Indian brand. Because nowadays we have so many malls. We are in Palladium. There's so many malls, so many international brands are down here. So everyone has money, they'll go and shop at an international brand or whatever. But I'm very proud to say that Metro is an Indian brand. And these shoes, I think they can compete with any global brand nowadays. Even Kalki's shoes, I was quite impressed when I saw. I asked her also. डेफिनेटली आई थिंक मेट्रो, क्योंकि एक तो इंडियन ब्रांड है, इतने सालों से है, तो उसका ब्रांड वैल्यू बहुत होता है, ट्रस्ट बहुत होता है लोगों के मन में इसके लिए. एंड डेफिनेटली बहुत स्टर्डी और अच्छे शूज़ है. आप हम तीनों के जूते देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा डिफरेंट.
कल्कि के सबसे स्टर्डी है.
बेस्ट कल्कि के तो बेस्ट जूते हैं, शायद हम दोनों पहन लेते, हमें ऑफर किए गए होते तो.
मेरे को एक्चुअली जो मेरा लाइफस्टाइल है बहुत ही आउटडोर एडवेंचरस किस्म का और बाइकर, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं कंफर्टेबल जूता पहनूँ जो स्टाइलिश भी हो और रिलायबल भी हो. और हर जो चीज़ मैं करना चाहता हूँ, अगर मेरे को पार्टी पे जाना है, मुझे इवेंट पे आना है, मुझे बाइक चलाना है, सब में यूज़ हो. और ये जो जूता मैंने लिया है, चूज़ किया है मेट्रो की लाइन में से, आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी एप्ट फॉर, it's an extension of my personality and, you know, my style.
I just associate myself with something which I think is new and exciting, and anything, a brand which is also reliable and that you've heard a lot about. So, you know, Metro is a brand that we've heard of from childhood. You know, it's a brand that's been around for a very long time, and now they're trying to revamp and become more, you know, sort of trendy, and I think they've done a really great job with some of these shoes.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.